Tired of pigeons turning your space into a mess? You've tried everything. Spikes, nets, even that weird aluminium foil trick. But what if I told you there's a natural DIY remedy that pigeons absolutely hate, and it's something you've never seen on YouTube before? Stick around because today I'm going to show you an all-natural, totally safe, and ridiculously simple way to send those pigeons packing. For good. Pigeons are everywhere. They perch, they poop, and they make a huge mess. But here's the thing. Pigeons have sensitive noses and are surprisingly picky about where they hang out. What if we could use that against them? Naturally. Let me introduce you to the Natural Pigeon Repellent Spray. This homemade mixture is packed with scents pigeons absolutely can't stand, but it's 100% safe for humans, pets, and the environment. To make this spray, you're going to need to add some water to a spray bottle, then mix in some vinegar, about 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. Next, add a few drops of peppermint or eucalyptus essential oil. Toss in some crushed chilies or chili powder for an extra kick. Finally, add some citrus peels for bonus pigeon repelling power. Then give the spray bottle a good shake, and it's ready to use. This spray works by overwhelming pigeon senses. They can't stand the strong smell and will avoid any area you treat. Spray the mixture on windowsills, balconies, and other common pigeon perches. You will now find the pigeon-filled area now completely clear. I've been using this for a month, and look, no pigeons. Plus, it's super easy to reapply every few days or after rain. For best results, combine this spray with reflective objects or citrus peels near their favorite perches. It's a 1-2 punch pigeons can't handle. If you're ready to reclaim your space with this simple, all-natural remedy, give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, eco-friendly solutions to everyday problems. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 3 ways to scare off pigeons from your roof that are guaranteed to work.